Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. Let's talk about History's Chapter 2 On the Trail of the Earliest People. Let's begin with what is trail. Trail means series of signs and objects left behind. And who are the earliest people? Well, the people who lived in the subcontinent 2 million years ago. Oldest are the earliest. We describe them as hunter-gatherers. Why? Because they hunted wild animals, caught fish and birds to gather food such as fruits, roots, nuts, seeds, leaves, stalks and eggs. You know what? For basic survival, hunter-gatherers move from one place to another. Because if they stayed at one place for a long time, they would have eaten up all the plant and animal resources. Therefore, they traveled in search of more food. Animals moved from place to place. Humans followed them for hunting. They were so alert and sensible, and what a great presence of mind. They also moved to protect themselves from natural disasters, such as floods and droughts. Plants and trees bear fruit in different seasons, like we can have mango in summers. So, for constant supply of food, they traveled. Water is the basic necessity for survival. So, during dry season, people traveled in search of water. However, nowadays we travel for different purposes, like work, education, fun, and to explore this beautiful world. So, how do we know about the earliest people? Archaeologist. Remember from chapter 1? If not, check it, link in the description below. They have found some of the tools made of stones, bones, and wood which hunter-gatherers made and used, out of which stone tools have survived best. And the period when mostly stone tools were made is known as Stone Age. Let's know more about Stone Age. Stone Age is further divided into 3 phases. First is Paleolithic Stone Age, also called Old Stone Age. Old Stone Age extends from 2 million years ago to 12,000 years ago. The tools during this period were made of stone and were blunt with no refinement like in this picture. Second is Mesolithic Stone Age or Middle Stone Age. The part of the history extended from about 12,000 years ago to about 10,000 years ago is called Mesolithic period. Stone tools of Mesolithic period are called microliths. These are much smaller and have sharper edges. So sharp that one can cut anything. In India, some of these stones are still in use for grinding wheat to make flour and grinding spices. People used it for cutting meat and bones, scraping bark from trees and skin from animals, chopping fruits and roots. Wood was used to make huts, tools, and also used as firewood. But how did earliest people make these tools? Well, the possible methods of making tools back then are stone on stone, when the one stone was hit with another stone with hands to make the desired shape. The stone that was hit was called as the core. Another method is pressure flaking. Here, the stone was kept on a harder surface and was hammered with another stone to make the desired shape. Wow, isn't it amazing? Do you know? Fire was discovered accidentally by rubbing 2 stones together. Hunter-gatherers could have been used fire for many things, such as they use it as a source of light, for cooking meat or food, for protection from wild animals, for clearing forest area. Fire also keeps them warm. You know what? During the Stone Age, it was all covered with ice and there was almost no vegetation on Earth. Watch movie called as Ice Age Part 1 to know more about this. And don't forget to share with your friends. Now you may be wondering, if there was so much ice, then why we have so hot summers now? Around 12,000 years ago, after global warming, temperature increases, ice begin to melt and grass family begin to grow. And since then, people came to know about growing wheat, barley, rice in different parts of the subcontinent. This is how they started practicing farming. This also led to an increase in the number of animals that survived on the grass. So people start thinking about herding and rearing these animals. Fishing also became important for people. Life started changing. People had to stay in the same place for a long time, looking after the plants, watering, weeding, driving away animals and birds till the grain ripened. Then they start thinking of storing of grains for food and seeds. For that, they began making large clay pots or wove baskets or dug pits into the ground. Earliest people were spread all over the world, even in India. Places where the stone was found and where people made tools are called factory sites. Factory sites where people lived for some time have been called habitation cum factory sites. There are some major sites during which Stone Age people lived in India. Have a look. First is Bhimbetka, where we find examples of habitation sites, natural caves and rock shelters. Kurnool Caves, where we found evidence and traces of ash. Hungsi, where a number of early Paleolithic sites and tools have been found. Paleolithic sites have been found in Deccan also. Some major sites are Chirki, Nevesa and Maharashtra. There are many early caves with paintings on the walls which were found in MP and southern UP. They depicted men hunting, women grinding, children jumping and much more. That's all for now. For any doubts, ask me in the comment box. And if you haven't subscribed Padhaku Mate yet, then do it now. Take care and keep learning. Thank you for watching.